What if a drone could stay in the air for an entire day, carry serious equipment, and still take off without a runway? The Delta Black Raider 330 is built for exactly that kind of mission. It's a next-generation unmanned system designed to push endurance, range, and flexibility far beyond typical drones. At its core is a hybrid electric propulsion system which allows it to combine efficiency with power. It can take off and land vertically like a helicopter, but once airborne, it transitions into fixed-wing flight for long-distance travel. That means it doesn't need a runway, yet it still covers massive distances efficiently, and the numbers are where it really stands out. You're looking at over 28 hours of flight time, a range exceeding 1,600 nautical miles, and the ability to operate at altitudes up to 22,000 feet. That kind of endurance means it can stay over a target area for extended periods without needing to return. It's not just about staying in the air, though. The modular design allows it to carry payloads over 100 pounds, which is a lot for a system this size. That opens the door for advanced surveillance sensors, communication systems, and mission-specific equipment depending on what's needed. What if soldiers didn't need vehicles to reach the battlefield? What if they could just fly in? The tactical jet suit, developed by Gravity Industries, is one of the closest things to real-life human flight we've ever seen. This isn't sci-fi anymore. The suit uses multiple small jet turbines that generate over 1,000 brake horsepower, allowing a single person to lift off the ground and move across difficult terrain using their own body balance. There are no wings, no propellers, just raw thrust and control through arm movement. And yes, it looks exactly like something out of Iron Man, but this isn't just for show. The jet suit has already been tested in real military exercises with the Royal Marines, where it was used for rapid boarding operations. Instead of climbing ladders or approaching slowly, a soldier can land directly onto a moving ship within seconds. That's a huge shift in tactical mobility. It opens the door to faster insertions, reaching locations that are normally inaccessible, and reducing the time it takes to engage or respond. What if an armored vehicle could carry troops, take hits, and still move fast across almost any terrain? The BTR-82A is a modern upgrade of the older BTR-80, built to do exactly that. It's an 888-wheeled armored personnel carrier designed to transport soldiers safely through combat zones while still having enough firepower to fight back. It's built with mobility in mind. Despite being armored, it can reach speeds of around 100 km/h, which is fast for something in this category. That speed, combined with its wheeled design, makes it effective on roads, rough terrain, and even in more unpredictable environments. In terms of protection, it's designed to handle small arms fire, shrapnel, and certain explosive threats, giving the troops inside a better chance of staying safe during movement. It can carry up to 10 soldiers, making it useful for both transport and deployment in active zones. But it's not just a transport vehicle. It's armed with an automatic cannon, along with additional weapons like a machine gun and grenade launcher, allowing it to engage infantry and light armored targets when needed. When it comes to controlling the sea, speed and awareness matter more than sheer size. The Milkor IPC is designed exactly for that. Fast, flexible, and built for modern maritime operations where reaction time is everything. What makes this vessel stand out immediately is its hydrofoil-assisted catamaran hull. In simple terms, it reduces drag and lifts part of the boat above the water at speed. The result? Better fuel efficiency, smoother movement, and the ability to move quickly across rough seas without losing stability. But speed alone isn't enough. The IPC is packed with advanced navigation and communication systems, giving operators real-time situational awareness. That means they can track targets, coordinate missions, and respond to threats with much more precision. One of its biggest advantages is flexibility. The vessel can operate both with a crew and in an unmanned mode. That opens up a lot of possibilities, from reducing risk in dangerous zones to running long-duration surveillance missions without exhausting personnel. In the middle of a battlefield, firepower gets all the attention, but without logistics, nothing moves. The Stratum transporters are built around that exact idea, moving critical supplies without putting human lives at risk. These robotic vehicles are designed for autonomous operation, meaning they can transport cargo across dangerous zones without a driver. And that's the real game changer. Instead of exposing soldiers to ambushes or hostile environments, these machines handle the movement of equipment, ammunition, and essential supplies. What makes Stratum's system powerful is its flexibility. It's not just one machine doing one job. It can be adapted for multiple roles depending on the mission. One setup turns it into an aircraft transporter, capable of moving aerial systems efficiently. Another config transforms it into a munitions carrier, delivering supplies right where they're needed most. There's even a configuration designed for precision loading, making it easier to handle heavy logistics operations without delays. What if you could get fighter jet level capability without the fighter jet cost? The Mori Smart is built around that exact idea. It's a lightweight aircraft designed for modern warfare, focusing on reconnaissance, surveillance, and light attack missions without the complexity of heavy jets. One of its biggest advantages is where it can operate. Unlike traditional aircraft that need long prepared runways, the Mori Smart can take off and land on rough, unprepared airstrips. That makes it extremely useful in remote or rugged areas where infrastructure is limited. In the air, it's equipped with advanced sensors and avionics that provide real-time situational awareness. That means it can track targets, monitor large areas, and support ground operations with accurate information as things happen, not after. It's also flexible when it comes to missions. The aircraft can carry different payloads depending on the role, including surveillance equipment, guided weapons, and support systems. So it can switch between intelligence gathering and close air support without needing a completely different platform. What if a drone could watch a target for an entire day and strike it with precision when needed? The Bayraktar TB2 is one of the most widely recognized combat drones in modern warfare, and for good reason. It's designed as a medium-altitude, long-endurance system, which basically means it can stay in the air for long periods while covering large areas. This isn't just theory. It has logged over 1 million flight hours in real operations, which says a lot about its reliability. With a wingspan of around 12 meters and a payload capacity of up to 150 kilograms, it can carry a mix of surveillance equipment and precision-guided munitions. What makes it effective is the balance. It can monitor targets using electro-optical and infrared sensors, track them in real time, and then engage using laser-guided weapons like MAM-C and MAM-L when required. So it's not just watching, it can act. Endurance is another big factor. It can stay airborne for more than 27 hours and operate at altitudes above 25,000 feet, which allows it to cover wide areas without constant redeployment. Imagine a drone that launches on its own, reaches the scene in seconds, and starts streaming live footage before anyone else even arrives. The Paladin drone is built exactly for that kind of high-pressure situation. Originally designed for first responders, its whole purpose is speed, automation, and real-time awareness. What makes it different is how quickly it can deploy. Instead of waiting for a human pilot, the drone can launch automatically from a docking station and fly beyond the operator's line of sight using LTE-based connectivity. Within moments, it's already transmitting live video back to the control center. That means whether it's an emergency, a search operation, or a security alert, teams on the ground already know what they're walking into. What if a drone could take off like a helicopter, fly like a plane, and stay almost invisible while doing it? The Thunder BV-TOL is built for exactly that kind of mission. It combines vertical takeoff and landing with fixed-wing flight, which means it doesn't need a runway but still gets the efficiency and speed of a traditional aircraft. You can launch it from tight spaces, remote areas, or rough terrain, and once it's airborne, it transitions into forward flight for long-distance coverage. With an endurance of over 12 hours, it's designed to stay in the air far longer than typical drones. It's not just about staying up there, though. The onboard sensors and GPS tracking system deliver high-definition video in real time, making it ideal for surveillance and large-area monitoring. And with a communication range of up to 150 kilometers, it can operate far beyond the immediate area. Where it really stands out is stealth. It's built with low acoustic, visual, thermal, and radar signatures, which makes it hard to detect. On top of that, it includes protection against GPS interference, so it stays operational even in contested environments. What if a robot could patrol, scout, and even fight without a human inside? The Vision 60 GQV is exactly that, a robotic ground vehicle built for modern military operations. Instead of wheels or tracks, it moves on 4 legs, which gives it a huge advantage in rough terrain where traditional vehicles struggle. It's designed to handle multiple roles, from reconnaissance and patrol to bomb disposal and support in combat zones. This machine is built to operate where it's too dangerous for humans to go. The modular design means it can be equipped with different sensors, cameras, and mission-specific gear depending on what the job requires. The autonomous navigation system allows it to move intelligently through complex environments, avoiding obstacles and adapting in real time. Now here's the reality. This isn't a consumer gadget or something you'll ever casually use. It's specialized military tech, designed for high-risk situations where precision and safety matter more than anything else. Israel built a tank where the commander can see through the armor, using AI that finds targets before the crew even looks. Every tank on Earth protects its crew by hiding them. Israel decided to give theirs superpowers instead. Meet the Merkava, Barak, Israel's most advanced battle tank, entered service in 2023, and it does something no other tank in the world currently does. The commander puts on a helmet and sees straight through the armor, 60 degrees. Every direction. Full situational awareness from completely inside a closed turret. Cameras mounted around the entire hull feed a live view directly into the visor. No periscope, no hatch, no exposure. An onboard mission computer autonomously detects targets, classifies threats, and shares battlefield data with other units in real time. It handles the routine work so the crew focuses on decisions, reportedly increasing mission endurance by 30%. The Trophy Active Protection System, combat proven across multiple conflicts, intercepts incoming missiles and RPGs and destroys them before they reach the armor.